think we're going to need a little bit more activator. I'm going to put some activator a little bit more. Right guys, my sister just now went, so right now we're gonna. So she made it. Oh my god, it worked. Oh my god, look, look, look. Oh my god, it worked. Oh my god, that's so cool. Come, I'm gonna show you. Wow, it's awesome. Look. I'm not working a little bit, and it's not like so much good. All right. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. But first I'm going to clean this up with you. So yeah, we're going to clean. Oops, the camera. What's wrong? I just flip it. What's wrong with the camera? Oh my god guys, I'm so sorry, the camera. Wait. I'm gonna do it. Right, I'm gonna write everything and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna write everything. Now it's good. So I got a towel and I'm gonna clean. I'm in my bathroom right now. Okay. The tissue is inside here. I put on my some in the container, so I'm gonna wash this. Right. I'm gonna be washing. Perfect. Yo. So yeah. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to like and subscribe and comment for more videos. I'm waiting. So bye guys. I'll see you guys in the next video, inshallah. Bye.